down for this?
I was just shooting from the ankle up. So if you want to keep your, because I know sometimes there's glass here, so you want to keep your,
This spot kind of hurts.
yes. Turn front way. Alright, we're gonna touch nature. It was either that or the other pose I have.
What's on the pose?
No, we're gonna do this one first. You can curse me out later. Remember, it's for the what?
For the shoes.
There you go. There you go.
Picture.
Right. So you have to go that way. So just so you know what you're doing this for. Yeah, when we have you pose with the waterfall as your background, I'm gonna have the sun highlight you. No, back against the wall. You ain't done with the wall yet. I told you, I was giving you the first one to get it. Nope, back. Against the wall. I know you're gonna hate me.
It's funny, huh? Lean on it?
Yep. But she's like, ew.
A couple spider webs.
So, you put your back.
It's so hard.
Alright, you know what? Okay, I'll give you an easier one.
Okay.
You're gonna come in. We're gonna be right here. Your body facing that way, so I can get the sun behind you.
Okay.
That way, it's only your shoulder that's against the wall.
Okay. Good.
That's what I got. That's what I deal with. She didn't want to get that shot. No chance. That would have been a dope shot. That's all right. I'll wait till next time.
I'll try to work on it. That's beautiful, mommy. Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Why do you always do that? Just compliment the model for giving on me?
Wait, quick question. Are you guys using that spot behind there still?
No, you can go back there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we're not going back there.
No, are you guys first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are very beautiful.
This is an easy, trust me. You know how many times I ran and jumped around there? It's easy.
Photo shoot? What are you going to do with the photo?
Magazine, portfolio.
You most definitely got the body. And I'm not even gay. I swear to God, I'm not.
Auntie, come on, man.
Appreciate it.
Yo, I don't
That's
like
the,
this shit,
that's
but
the,
it's anxiety.
that should be the tax line. Got anybody? Not even gay though.
Nah, hell no.
You got this.
I'm straight.
You got this.
I don't like heights, bro.
He's like, nope.
All right, enjoy. Have fun.
Thank you. All right, let's get you back, JK.
What about? Is that your purse right there?
Yep. Come this way, because your arm is going to be against that.
I'm
Did
sorry. Not out here.
Did you put your phone in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta keep everything. You guys are not from out
take
here,
it.
huh? Oh yeah, don't ever do that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, you're leaning your shoulder against the wall. Actually, no, I like that. Put your hand against it. Bring your hand a little bit more over here.
Over here. On my hand.
I like how you have your hand, but just bring it a little, yes, so you can see it more. Like that. Good. Like good. I want you to look out that way. Bring that hand onto the wall. Don't change the position. Just bring your hand, yep. Bring it down lower. Right there. You're gonna turn your hand that way. This one. She's like, ugh. Like that. What's gonna happen when she sees these pictures? She's gonna be like, ooh.
That's still okay.
Yep. That's what's gonna be what happens. Like that. Take that hand, bring it up here. Alright, now we're gonna bring you out to about this area.